Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today another unboxing, but what makes this one special is the fact one of you guys sent me this watch as a present. So Brandon, thank you once more. Now Brandon is a guy who follows my channel and who emailed me a couple of weeks ago or maybe a month ago telling me that he would like to lend me a GGB100 Mudmaster so I can review it. After emailing back and forth, we realized that he's from the US and I'm from the European Union, meaning that even if he just lent me the watch, I would end up paying import duties and taxes when I receive the watch, and he would end up paying them back once the watch is returned to him. So we realized that's not really a good idea. Then he said that he really likes my videos and he would like to thank me in a way by getting me another G-Shock, a second one where he would actually buy it for me and send it to me as a gift. So this is the watch that's in this box. So like I said again, Brandon, really thank you. I appreciate this and I appreciate you following my channel. Now just to inform you, I actually did get the GGB100 because my local watch store, Silvertime watch store, actually got one in stock like a week ago, and they called me right away telling me they have it. So do stay tuned for the review, and also I did a full detailed tutorial of both the sensor functions and regular watch functions. So I will be posting that video as well. But now let's see everyone what Brandon actually got me. And it's actually a watch that I wanted to review for a long time, but these were sold for a very short time in Croatia and they just kind of vanished. And it was before I had my YouTube channel, so I did have an opportunity to hold one in my hands, but I never got the opportunity to actually film one. And I really like this model. So let's open it. The customs naturally charged as usual, but what can you do? Here's the box, and as you can see, it's a GD350. So let's open it. So he included all the cards and everything, although I thought I'm just gonna get the watch without the box. And here it is. Let's zoom in. Now this GD350 is like the ultimate when it comes to legibility. In both negative, it has one of the best negative screens, but the positive one is also just beyond belief how legible it is. And I especially love the two color scheme, the green one for the calendar and the yellow one, the gray one for the time. It's just a wonderful watch. Like I said, I always wanted one. I wanted to review one, and I actually thought about adding one to my collection. But by the time I got really interested in them, they, like I said, stopped selling them locally. But luckily, I actually have one now. Now this is an improved, not an improved, but this is a revised version because as you can see, it has vibe alarm written right here. The original one had vibrator written, and in my country and probably many other countries, vibrator is actually a name for a device that makes ladies very happy. So Casio probably realized that as well, and they changed it to vibe alarm. Now I believe those vibrator models are actually getting higher prices now because they're considered rare. But this is a newer one, the vibe alarm. So this one doesn't make ladies happy, it only makes me happy. So as usual, I will be doing a review and a full tutorial for this model, so do stay tuned for that. But before we sign off, I will have to put it on my wrist to see how it wears. I remember when I was trying it on that it was actually okay because it has these wings that make it smaller on wrist, but we'll try it now. And I'm actually wearing my GW6900, so let's take that off and put the GD350 on. And there. Yup, just like I thought. So this is a big chunky watch that actually wears pretty small and looks wears very comfortably even on a small wrist. My wrist is 6.7 inches and look at it. It's very similar to the feel on the wrist, is very similar to the GW7900 that I also tried. I just love this thing. I love the screen, I really do. So Brandon, really thank you once more, man. You really made me happy. Thank you, thank you. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short unboxing. And since I said, like, I usually do giveaways, and this is the first time that I actually got a watch from you, I just wanted to let you know that the giveaway is coming soon, because we're coming close to 50,000 subscribers, and I will pick a watch that I will actually be sending to one of you. So do stay tuned and keep following the channel. So anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. And until the next video, bye.